If you're looking to upgrade your car audio without breaking the bank, the Pyle Pro 6.5-inch midbass speaker delivers impressive power and clarity. With a peak power output of 250 watts and 125 watts RMS, it lets you crank your favorite tracks loud and clear, adding serious punch to your ride's sound system. This mid-range woofer covers a wide frequency response from 70 Hz to 9 kHz, filling in the gaps in your current car stereo setup for a fuller, richer sound. Whether you're replacing worn-out speakers or building a new system, it complements your existing components to deliver balanced, full-range stereo performance. One standout feature is the 1-inch high-temperature aluminum voice coil. This design helps reduce distortion by compensating for the smaller wiring typically found in cars. The result? Crisp, clear audio with less fuzz, so every note hits just right. The 6.5-inch paper cone driver is a perfect fit for most car stereo systems, making installation straightforward. Its durable paper coating balances sound quality and longevity, whether you're upgrading or repairing your vehicle's speakers. Built to last, the speaker features a heavy-duty 25-ounce magnet structure and a 2.75-inch mounting depth. This solid foundation not only ensures durability but also makes it easy to install in a variety of vehicle models without hassle. Users across the U.S. praise these speakers as a great replacement option. One customer swapped out -325 rupees woofers and was impressed by the quality and bass response. They noted the speakers paired well with original tweeters and offered excellent value for DIY builds or repairs. If you want a reliable, powerful upgrade that fits seamlessly into your car's sound system, the Pyle Pro 6.5-inch midbass speaker is worth a look. It brings clear sound, solid bass, and easy installation to your audio setup. Try it when you're ready to enhance your driving soundtrack with a speaker that balances performance and affordability. This midbass driver could be the key to unlocking your car stereo's full potential.